Let me show you how to make these delicious and healthy roasted vegetables with teriyaki tofu baked. You can make this with any vegetables that are in season, but today I'm using a delicious combination of Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and butternut squash. First, let's roast the vegetables. Place the Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and squash in separate bowls. Mix each bowl with oil, garlic, togarashi, salt, and pepper. Place each vegetable on a separate baking sheet in a single layer and roast in a preheated 400-degree oven until golden brown. Let's make our vinaigrette. Combine the shallots with salt, lemon juice, and soy sauce. Let this macerate for 10 minutes. Whisk in the oils and season with pepper. Now we are ready to assemble. Combine the roasted vegetables. Nosoya is ready to enjoy teriyaki tofu baked, pine nuts, green onions, and cilantro. Toss with the vinaigrette. Finish with a few more pine nuts and cilantro. Delicious year-round, you'll love this simple vegan dinner. The savory sweetness of the teriyaki tofu baked is a perfect companion to any of your favorite roasted vegetables.